Welcome back to Learning Lane, the place where we learn something new, meaningful, and important for our future. Today's topic is very serious and very important. Aravali Ranges, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. But today, these mountains are slowly disappearing. So, why does the government want development here? Why are Aravalis being destroyed? And the biggest question is, are Aravali Ranges not important for India? Let's understand this step by step, in detail. First, let's see, what are the Aravali Ranges? The Aravali Range is one of the oldest fold mountain ranges on Earth, formed more than 1.5 billion years ago. These ancient mountains stretch across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. Some famous places located in the Aravali region include Mount Abu, Guru Shikhar, the highest peak of the range, the Udaipur region, and parts of South Delhi and the NCR. The Aravali Ranges are even older than the Himalayas and once acted as a natural shield for North India, protecting the region from harsh climatic conditions and desert expansion. So, why are Aravali Ranges so important? Let's see importance of Aravali Ranges one by one. 1. Barrier against desert expansion. The Aravali Ranges are extremely important because they act as a natural barrier against desert expansion. They prevent the Thar Desert from spreading eastward into the fertile plains of North India. If the Aravalis disappear, desertification will increase rapidly in regions like Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, leading to severe environmental problems such as loss of agricultural land, water scarcity, and extreme climate conditions. 2. Groundwater recharge. The Aravali Ranges play a crucial role in groundwater recharge. The rocky structure of the Aravalis helps store rainwater underground, allowing it to slowly seep into the earth. This process recharges wells, bore wells, and nearby lakes, ensuring a steady supply of water for people and agriculture. Destroying the Aravalis disrupts this natural system and can lead to a serious water crisis in the surrounding regions. 3. Climate control. The Aravali Ranges play an important role in climate control. They help reduce extreme heat by acting as a natural barrier, balance rainfall patterns, and improve air quality by supporting dense vegetation. Because of these factors, areas near the Aravalis are generally cooler, greener, and more environmentally stable compared to surrounding regions. 4. Biodiversity hotspot. The Aravali Ranges are a rich biodiversity hotspot and provide a natural habitat for a wide variety of wildlife and plant species. They are home to animals such as leopards, nilgai, and jackals, along with hundreds of bird species and many valuable medicinal plants. Destruction of the Aravalis leads to permanent loss of this wildlife and biodiversity, as many of these species cannot survive once their natural habitat is destroyed. 5. Air pollution control. The forests of the Aravali Ranges act as the green lungs of the Delhi-NCR region. They absorb large amounts of dust, carbon dioxide, and other toxic pollutants from the air, helping to keep pollution levels under control. Without the Aravalis, air quality in Delhi-NCR would deteriorate further, making pollution more severe and potentially deadly for millions of people. So, why is the government allowing destruction? Now comes the controversial part. Why is the government allowing the destruction of the Aravali Ranges? This is the most controversial part of the issue. One major reason is mining. The Aravali region is rich in stone, marble, and other construction materials. Both legal and illegal mining activities have caused severe damage, breaking entire hills and permanently altering the natural landscape. Another important reason is urban development. Large-scale projects such as highways, housing colonies, farmhouses, and commercial buildings are being constructed in and around the Aravali region. Many of these projects are promoted in the name of development, but they often ignore environmental consequences. A third reason is weak forest protection laws. In several areas, the Aravalis are not officially classified as forest land. Because of this, they do not receive strong legal protection, making it easier for land to be diverted for mining and construction activities. Lastly, economic pressure plays a major role. Development brings money, jobs, and infrastructure, which are seen as immediate benefits. However, this economic growth often comes at the cost of the environment, leading to long-term damage that cannot easily be reversed. Is this development or destruction? This raises a very important question: is this really development or is it destruction? Development is necessary for growth, but unplanned and uncontrolled development can be extremely dangerous. If the Aravali Ranges vanish, water scarcity will increase, heat waves will become more severe, pollution levels will rise, and the desert will continue to expand. As a result, regions like Delhi-NCR may become increasingly difficult to live in. So clearly, destroying the Aravalis is not progress at all, it is a long-term environmental disaster. So, what can be done to save the Aravali Ranges? First, they must be given strict forest status, ensuring legal protection against any destruction. Second, illegal mining must be stopped through strict action and proper enforcement of laws. Third, development should be sustainable, meaning it progresses in a way that respects nature rather than destroying it. Finally, public awareness is crucial. People need to understand that once the environment is destroyed, it cannot be restored, no matter how much money is spent. The Aravali Ranges are not just ordinary hills, they are a vital water source, a natural climate shield, and an essential life support system. Once they are destroyed, they cannot be rebuilt. While development should continue, it must be done in a way that allows nature to survive alongside it. If you learned something valuable today, please like, share, and subscribe to Learning Lane. Let's spread awareness, because learning today can save tomorrow. Thanks for watching Learning Lane. See you in the next video.